Hello, welcome. Namaskar. So let us start with a trailer over here. Hello, namaste, namaskaram, hello. Welcome to the live online talk show of Stories of Hope Introvert Special Episode 3. This is live on my profiles of Facebook and YouTube as well. So this show is all about the real stories of introverts who got a leap of faith, or ambiverts as well, who got leap of faith in life and hope in life and believed themselves and achieved success in life. So this show for all kinds of people, it's not about only for introverts, and I believe this can create some hopes in your life as well. So let us start. Today is basically the second day of Navratri. So I pray our goddess, Durga Ma, for giving her blessings to everyone. And second is about the special two guests who are having the power of Durga Ma. They are, one is a mother who started the movement of breathe and believe, and she actually pursued her doctor of philosophy in the university called as Vanasthali Vidyapat, and in the field of studying music and history, literature and all. She has done her Master of Arts from University of Rajasthan. She is born and brought up in Jaipur, Rajasthan. And one more guest is about her daughter itself. She completed her Doctor of Philosophy in Life Sciences from University of Rajasthan, and she is a digital buddy for seniors. She started her own theme of digital buddy for the seniors, and she pursued MS in Human and Medical Genetics in Guru Nanak Dev University, Amritsar. So it's a proud moment for me to introduce them, and even they are one of my inspirers as well, because these people always, whenever I see them, I used to get a lot of inspiration and even strength. So without any delay, let us invite our guests on the show. So you can see, hello.
Namaste.
Hello Swati ji, hello Madhu ji, namaste.
Namaste. Hello.
How are you doing?
Great. Awesome.
Awesome. So in the meantime, can you please introduce about yourself? Anyhow, I introduced you. Please introduce about yourself little bit with a one or two lines.
Thank you, Santosh, for inviting us.
Yeah.
And for saying such beautiful words about us.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you.
So it is different when you hear somebody talk about you like that. So thank you for your kind words. And yeah.
Thank you.
Thank
will
you
introduce yourself first, Mama?
I'm Madhu Vyas from Jaipur, Rajasthan.
आप हिंदी में बात कर लीजिए आंटी, इट्स ओके।
हाँ, मैं ऑक्सीजन वॉरियर हूँ, ऑक्सीजन डिपेंडेंट से ऑक्सीजन वॉरियर बनी हूँ। नाउ आई एम ए ऑक्सीजन वॉरियर, ब्रीदिंग वॉरियर।
Yeah, Shwati.
And I am her daughter, her proud daughter, Swati Vyas. And you all can call me Dr. Swati Vyas because I did my PhD. And also, I always have a soft spot for people who are elder than me, be it my grandparents, be it my parents. Even my PhD topic was about elderly. It was about Alzheimer's disease, which is specifically happens in elderly. So now I see my mother as a life case study, an example of how she found her mission of life because she was digitally equipped and I was there to help her. My brother was there to help her, and my father was strength of all three of us.
Yes.
So I started thinking there will be many people like my mama, and
Hmm.
I can help those people. So I started this movement of power of gray hair, and I would like to help people find out their passion. It's never too late. Age is just a number. So,
Yes.
like my mummy is 65, and now she has found her mission of life.
Hmm.
So that is my mission of life now,
Awesome.
to bring
Awesome.
smiles to all those faces.
And even I want to tell that both of them are becoming authors. They are writing their own books. So that too
Yeah,
is a collaboration of both. One is helping each other to get the topics and get the things and all. So many congratulations and all the best for
thank
that
Thank
books
you.
and
you.
all. So
Same to you.
I always, yes, I always tell that to you, and even I always tell to other people as well. Even I told a lot of times to my mother as well that a lot of inspiration, but from both of you, like how you actually handle things. I know personally you, and I can see how you are growing right now. I always get a lot of inspiration whenever I see you. It is a big blow for me. Yes, I can also do. Yes, Andiji is talking about me only. It is so connecting to me, even for Shwati as well. So thank you for that inspiration, which are always driving me every single day. Thanks a lot for that.
The feeling is mutual, Santosh.
Yes. So let us start the show. So in this, basically, I am going with, because we have two guests, I'm going with only one round that is about the question and answers. So I have some questions to you. I will go personally. It's not about professional and all. I will just leave the PhDs and all. For now, I'm only talking about personal, about their experiences. Maybe after listening to this, a lot of people get the hope, and even they also get the real inspiration from both of you. That's what my intent is. So let us start the first question with मधु जी. So आंटी जी, आपका क्वेश्चन ये है कि आपने मूवमेंट स्टार्ट किया ब्रीथ एंड बिलीव.
Yeah.
आपका ये सोच कैसा आया? आप हाउ यू गॉट दिस, आई मीन हाउ एक्चुअली यू गॉट दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंकिंग इन योर माइंड दैट यस आई वांट टू डू दिस. ये कैसी हम मैंने स्टार्ट किया, लेकिन कैसी करना है आपका? ये सिचुएशन कुछ ना कुछ होगा आपका लाइफ में.
हाँ.
कैसे आया इस या आंटी जी?
मैं जब इस ब्रीदिंग प्रॉब्लम से परेशान हुई और डिप्रेस हुई, तो उस दरमियान मेरे को एक दिमाग में आता था, और जब मैं हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट थी और फ्रीक्वेंट हॉस्पिटल जाया करती थी, तो मैं वहाँ लोगों को देखती थी कि किस तरह से लोग परेशान हैं. एक बार मैं एक्सरे के लिए गई हुई थी, और एक गांव का आदमी, बहुत बुढ़ा था, 70 साल का करीब होगा, मैले कुचैले कपड़े पहना हुआ, रूरल एरिया में जैसे धोती और वो पहनते हैं, और इतना परेशान था, मतलब रोने वाला था वो. उसका जो अटेंडेंट था वो इधर उधर भाग रहा था. उन लोगों को समझ में नहीं आ रहा था क्या हो रहा है. वो कह रहा था भाई मारे टकाई हुए लो, मतलब वहाँ की लोकल लैंग्वेज में कि यहाँ पर क्या होगा, क्योंकि उसको कोई समझाने वाला नहीं था. हर कोई अपनी भाषा बोल रहा था. तो मैंने उसको समझाया कि आप घबराओ मत. तो मैंने अपनी लोकल भाषा में उसको समझाया कि आपको कुछ नहीं होगा. उसको कहने का मतलब यही था मेरा कि आपको कुछ नहीं होगा, अभी आपका एक्सरे होगा, आप घबराओ मत. तो वो ऐसे समझ नहीं पा रहा था, हिंदी भी नहीं समझ पा रहा था वो. तो मैं उसको अपनी लोकल भाषा में बोल के बताया कि बाबा जी डरपो मत, अंडे काई कोनो हुए, अब था को एक्सरे बोले यान एक फिल्म खींचेली और में थे जो है थाने देखेला थाने काई बीमारी है, तो थे घबराओ मत, और अजी कोई डरबा की बात को ना थे, थोड़ी हिम्मत रखो. तो फिर उसने बोला ठीक है. तो मुझे बहुत ब्लेसिंग दिया, और इस मोमेंट से मुझे लगा कि कितने लोग सफर कर रहे हैं इस तरह से. तो इस वजह से मेरे को ये मोमेंट मेरे दिमाग में आया कि अगर मैं खुद सफर कर रही हूँ और मेरा पेन इतना है और लोगों के इतने पेन है, तो क्यों ना मैं उनके बीच में आई बिकम ए ब्रिज बिटवीन डिजीज एंड सॉल्यूशंस.
बढ़िया आंटी, सुपर. सो आप इसी है सिचुएशन सबका. आपने इस कैसी, आई डोंट नो हाउ यू गॉट इट, बट यस इट इज, as I already told you, it's about inspiration. At this, you are proving that age is just a number. You are the live example for that. We are so young. Even I'm always tell, I mean, it is not the age. Whenever you started, if you want to start, that moment will be so big. That's it. It's up to you. When you
Yeah.
want to start, that actually decides, and that you have to decide. It's not about anyone. Any age is good for anything. It's up to you. That's it. Yes.
I think I can do it. Everybody can do it.
Yes. Yes. So that is actually a good one. Yeah. Thank you, Andiji. Now let us go to our Swati. So
Yo.
Swati, yeah, in your life as well, I can see, as personally I have interacted with you a lot of times, but yeah, I want to know, there will be a situation where you felt insulted or you felt bullied, means somewhere in your life definitely that will be there, otherwise there is no I mean, I always believe that pain is the one which is the first point of realization. That is the starting point of realization for everyone, according to me, in everyone's life. So what is your pain point which you realize that yes, I want to do something big in life and I should not be like this?
Yeah, I usually don't talk about that. But since you have asked me on point blank, I would like to share an incident with you, Santosh. I recently had this memory back actually, and since these days I'm thinking a lot about my life and how I came here to the point I am right now. So I recently had this memory coming back to me that I was very young. I was admitted to a new school in first standard, and there was a
Okay.
boy. He was the cool one in the class. He was a bit elder than me, and we used to travel on in the same auto rickshaw.
Mhm.
So he was good looking. He was kind of rich in his own language. He was rich. He
Yeah.
used to carry fancy bottles and things like that, and chocolates, etc. So everybody wanted to be friends with him. I don't know what he has uh, against me, that he always used to beat me up in the auto rickshaw while
Okay.
going and coming back to the home.
Okay.
And the reason was because I was fat. That was the reason he used to beat me up. He used to snatch my food and used to beat me up कि कितना खाएगी मोटी फट जाएगी तू. ऐसे मुझे बोल के he used to humiliate me, and school में भी whenever we crossed path, he used to abuse me. He used to call me names, and everybody with him used to do
Yeah.
that. I used to come home crying, and I was so young, I could not explain it to my parents that what was happening with me. I only used to say I don't want to go to school. But it never come to my mind that I tell them what is happening with me, why I'm being beaten up like that. I recently realized, Santosh, my self-image was hampered a lot because of that incident. This came to my mind that I'm ugly, I'm fat, and I'm not good enough. And on that self-image, I have taken most of the decisions of my life. What kind of friends I make. So actually, studying hard and getting good marks was one kind of power that I gave it to myself. That because I have good marks, I have good rank, nobody can bully me now. Nobody can beat me now. I have that
Yes.
power. And then I wear this smile on my face. And I never tell my true self to anybody, because always the vulnerability is something which most of the people don't want to hear, first of all. And if they hear, they want to exploit it because that is your weak point. So being an ambivert is a real part of me. I'm a Gemini by sunshine, and even by my name, I mean, in every way, I support that thing that I have two faces, and I like to present whatever face I think audience is according. I present that face. So yeah, that incident was really. I still, when I talk about it, I feel so agitated. I feel if I find that boy now, I was so funny that day. If I find that person now, I will beat him up. I
You
was
will kill him. I know that.
I was so angry. And I told this to my brother, and my brother was so angry because he was in my same school and he used to protect me. He told me, "Why did not you tell me that?" But I really want to say to many small kids, they actually are not able to comprehend and to express what is happening with them.
Right.
And that is a very tender age. And yeah, so that is an incident I can actually remember very specifically in my life, that actually. And also every time in my life I was taken as joker, a laughing buddy who is always laughing here and then time pass. Nobody took me seriously because I was always doing fun. So when recently, if some of my friends heard me saying some poetry or something, they said, "Really, you do poetry? You can do poetry."
You know, laughing is a key
Yeah.
of beauty.
My mom is always praising me.
Yes. Awesome. So even that's what even whoever you are, it can be extrovert, it can be introvert, it can be ambivert. Who everyone has this phase. Like
Yeah.
they will be having their lone time as well. Apart from that, outside world it is different. Definitely, it will be different. Whatever they are, obviously because of the environment which you are, or it can be anything. It affects a lot for the self-esteem. As you already told, self-esteem will be definitely is one of the major thing which will be affected a lot whenever you are being bullied, and even sometimes because of this we'll go to depression and we'll go and ending up with depression. Sometimes it may lead to some other different situations as well. I don't want to
Long
tell them, but
chances in
yes.
life. Yeah.
Yes. So this is one of the biggest challenge right now in not only in India, probably in the world.
One more thing I want to say, Santosh, on my and mummy's behalf, same. Very quickly, I will share one very deep incident with you.
Yes.
After we lost my father, and he was a government employee,
Hmm.
so he served for 35 years as government employee. So
Hmm.
I used to go to clear the medical bills for him, and it was such a painful process to go to somebody and to present that death certificate. I can still not say that word with confidence, and it was so difficult for me to go and say somebody that so and so has happened to my death. So one day I was standing in my home, and every day my mummy and bhaiya used to say, "Why don't you go to that person and do that medical bill thing? It is so long, it is pending, do that." And
Hmm.
I broke down. I was crying. I was holding those papers in my hand, and I said, "What kind of life is this? Once you pass away, what you have left for your children? These medical bills and this pain." So I felt so much shaken up. I said, "My mama, I want a very beautiful memory of you, and I want everybody to have a beautiful memory of their parents or their loved ones."
Hmm.
So that day I realized the importance of leaving your legacy behind in this world.
Yes.
And
Correct. Correct.
it was a very, very important moment of my life. That is the day I decided to be a digital buddy. And I thought I will show power of gray hair to this world, because my father was an excellent human being. But
Hmm.
nobody knows Mr. Shamlal Vyas. Who was he? So he was not very expressive like we are. He was different than my mama. He was totally opposite. If you had called him on camera, he would have ran away. Or he was just smiling and sitting silently. He was a true
Okay.
introvert.
Hmm.
So so that is, and mummy was witnessing that incident. And that day mummy decided that I will not leave my daughter in tears. I will give her that smile that she deserves. So that was a turning moment for both of us actually.
Yes.
Awesome. Awesome. So that's where one realization point, one pain point. These are some basic steps where everyone will get that realization. Yes, I want to do something big, or I want to be like this. Even apart from that, some people should be there to influence us as well. It's not that simple. Everyone tell that achieving success is. I mean, some people tell it is lucky, but yes, it has a lot of pain and it has a lot of realization in the middle and influence. Lot of downs, yeah, a lot of even sometimes crying, lot of things will be, lot of emotional stuff will be there whenever you are climbing the ladder. It's very tough.
Yes, that is
So
true.
yes, yeah. So now Auntie Ji, now second question for you. It's
Yeah.
about again the situation which made you strong. Like I mean, I'm talking about the climbing the ladder. Whenever you start a movement or whenever you understand something in your life or something you want to do, but how you want to do it, you don't know. You will be stuck in some situation. But what influenced you, or what exactly made you to which incident made you to realize that yes, this can be done in this way, or this can be performed in this way to reach more audience or to reach people?
Yeah. many times I read and heard about people's suffering from diseases, और वो लोग होपलेस हो जाते हैं, अपने आप से लाइफ एंड समझते हैं, सुसाइड करने को तैयार हो जाते हैं। तो ये सब देख के, और मुझे हॉस्पिटल्स में भी ऐसे बहुत केस आते थे कि छोटे छोटे बच्चे सुसाइड करने के अटेम्प्ट पे आते हैं। तो ये सब देख के मुझे हुआ कि लाइफ कोई इसका एंड नहीं है बीमारी का। और आप जब सांस, जो जरूरी है कि सांस लेना जरूरी है जीने के लिए, वो ही जब आपके पास नहीं है और आप उससे भी बाहर आ सकते हो, तो आप किसी भी चीज से बाहर आ सकते हो। तो सांस पे भी जब हम अपना कर सकते हैं कि उसको अपन कोप अप कर सकते हैं, तो इस वजह से मैंने फिर ये शुरू किया। मैंने अपने आप पे शुरू किया। मैं बिल्कुल समझ लो डेड उस पे थी। नहीं, मैं बता रही, मेरी सिचुएशन बता रही हूँ मैं। और मैं खुद होपलेस थी कि मैं शायद नहीं बचूंगी लाइफ में। मैं कभी ऐसा नहीं सोची थी, लेकिन वो सिचुएशन ऐसी थी मेरी। तो मैंने अपने आप को उस कंडीशन से निकालने के लिए धीरे धीरे अपने बॉडी मूवमेंट शुरू किए, अपना माइंड सेट चेंज किया, अपनी एक्टिविटीज चेंज की, गॉड से प्रे किया कि मुझे इस बीमारी से बाहर लाए, इस अपनी होपलेसनेस से बाहर लाए। और मुझे अपने बच्चों के लिए उनकी पावर बनना था। तो इस वजह से मैंने ये सब सोचा। मैंने नई चीजें सीखी। स्वाति ने डिजिटल मार्केटिंग का कोर्स किया था, मैं इसके पास में बैठी बैठी सुनती थी और मुझे भी इसमें इंटरेस्ट आने लगा। मैं इसके साथ नोट्स बनाने लगी और मेरे को लगा कि जब इतना स्कोप है आज डिजिटल उससे, तो क्यों ना मैं भी एक ऐसा करूं अपना कि लोगों के तक ये बात पहुंचा सकूं अपनी। और ये बहुत अच्छा प्लेटफॉर्म है डिजिटल मार्केट, ये सोशल वाला। तो इस हिसाब से मैंने अपना शुरू किया कि मैं लोगों के अपनी बात पहुंचाऊंगी, उनकी प्रॉब्लम सुनूंगी, सॉल्यूशन करूंगी, और इस तरह से तालमेल बिठा के हम आपस में ऑनलाइन करेंगे। तो उसमें ये भी था कि अपनी एक कम्युनिटी बना लेंगे इस तरह के लोगों की, और उससे हम सपोर्ट करेंगे एक दूसरे को।
I specifically remember that date, Santosh, 11th July. So she declared to me and my brother that I want to start a YouTube channel and I want to tell people what I'm suffering. Yes. And I don't know how to do it exactly, but I will do it. I will learn and I will do it.
जब ये ट्यूब लग जाती है ना, तो आदमी बहुत डिप्रेस हो जाता है, डिपेंडेंट भी हो जाता है। मैं भी हुई थी, मैं लोगों के सामने आना बंद कर दिया था, एकदम आइसोलेटेड हो जाता है। लेकिन इससे ये कोई हमारी कमजोरी नहीं है, ये मेरी ताकत है। मैंने इसको अपनी ताकत बना के, और बच्चों ने बोला भी मुझे कि मम्मी आप ट्यूब है आपकी लगी हुई, जब आप यूट्यूब पे होगी ये ट्यूब दिखेगी। मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं, इसको देख के लोगों में पावर आएगी कि आज ये ट्यूब लगी औरत भी ये कर पा रही है, तो मैं भी कर सकता हूँ। और न जाने कब किसकी कोई बात का एकदम ऐसी लग जाए, पेन लग जाए कि वो पिंच हो जाए उसको, और उसकी लाइफ सेव हो जाए, वो लाइफ में कुछ कर ले। तो ये सोच के मैंने किया।
वही आंटी, आपने सही बोला आंटी। That's what whenever you that's what even you tell this, I told this about the age number at this moment as well. You learn digital marketing. Digital marketing is the one lot of people don't know about it even, but you found the way. आपने कुछ ना कुछ खोजा उसके लिए, कुछ ना कुछ उसके लिए सर्च किया, इसी करना है, वो YouTube चैनल स्टार्ट कर लिया. That is also one of the I was shocked. Oh my God, how you got the thought? How you can? I was like, oh, why I didn't get this thought at that moment? इतना सारा है, बहुत सारा. I mean, we know technologies. I was working for IT, सब कुछ है मेरे पास, लेकिन उस आइडिया थॉट नहीं आ रहा है मुझे. आपका उस समय आ गया और you started it and right now you are doing it. आपका वीडियो देखा मैंने, नरेंद्र मोदी जी से बात करना और सब कुछ वीडियोस एंड ऑल. I was like, oh my God, how creative it is.
Very creative. that way.
Yeah, very creative. Even I saw your video recently about the mirchi somewhere. You are actually talking about
Yeah.
it. Yeah, I saw that. Even I was like, "Arey, इतना creativity कैसे आ रहा है?" I was like, how can I do it now? It is so competitive for me as well to actually, I mean, to beside you matching your creativity. It's very tough. That's what I always tell you. It's a great inspiration by seeing you. I always think that yes, I have to also think like this. I should get some idea out of it. Yeah, that's where inspiration comes
लोग
from whenever you're
घुमाए
talking
जा
about.
रहे हैं, मोबाइल पे उंगली घुमाए जा रहे हैं और चलते जा रहे हैं, तो उसमें
हाँ,
कहीं मैं बीच में दिखूंगी तो कई लोगों को होप बनेगी, कई लोगों को पावर आएगी और वो भी इन्फ्लुएंस होंगे अब कुछ
जैसे कि
करेंगे।
मोबाइल चलाते हैं ना ऐसे, तो हमारा
हाँ, हाँ,
थंब है।
वही है,
तो
वही
मेरे डैडी बोलते थे कि माला फेरना शुरू कर दिया क्या तुमने?
है। Yeah.
My mom actually used that term, that when people will be fairing mala,
Yeah.
they
Wala.
I will give them hope that never give up in their life, whatever the situation may be.
Yes. And you opted the correct platform, Andy. But yes, this social media is one of the biggest assert. It is an assert for so many people, but it is even a defect as well. It has a lot of disadvantages. But yes, if you use it properly, the social media is one of the most powerful thing right now.
Yeah.
Because even we are not even looking into TVs and all. We are almost 24/7 sticking to your mobiles and all. This is one of the most powerful platform. You can actually do a lot of wonders. I always tell to Swati, I don't know she will tell you or not. I always require your blessings. I always, by
So many
seeing you, I always tell her virtually I'm touching your feet and all. I always tell that I don't know whether she's telling you or not. I always want your blessings every single day so that I can match your creativity. That is what my first goal is. I want to match that kind of ideology, the strength which you have.
मेरी ब्लेसिंग से बेटा हमेशा।
Thank you, Auntie. Thank you so much. Now, yes, Swati, it is about you as well. It is. I always feel. I have this feeling again to match your creativity as well. Basically, it is about blood. I think so. The blood actually transformed to you. You always do some other creativity things. What is your name? What do you mean by your name? That's a question which I was like, oh my god, what I have to know. I don't know about my name. I actually searched in Google and I read about different articles. That's one thing. And even recently, one song you kept in the morning itself, I was like, oh my god, even we can do this kind of things also. I was like, yes, that's what the blood is being transferred. The transfer maybe that creativity levels, how you want. If you want to do something in your life, if you want to help other people or if you want to serve others, obviously, if that intent is clear, that things will come out automatically. The nature will obviously help you out to getting that things.
Yes.
You always do videos and even posts regarding the nature, the sunrise point is here, sunrise point is over here. Oh my god, a lot of things will be coming at. Yes, whatever you do, you always relate it to nature. So that is where I always believe that yes, nature has
being a researcher is ingrained in my DNA now. And I view everything in my life as an experiment, and I take that as an experience and then express it in my way. So everything I see it as an experiment. So that is why you see sun points changing.
Yeah, you are a research scholar, right? So that's where maybe that came in like that.
Yeah.
Okay. So for you, the question is maybe you may get. Right now you are having self-esteem, confidence, and all. But obviously, you told that whenever you are a kid, it is about lone. You have faced a lot of loneliness, and you are not been you got bullied, and yeah, a lot of people started avoiding you and all. But what is the first moment you got that confidence? Yes, I can also do. There will be a situation where you will get some belief in you. First of all, obviously, when someone is bullying you, insulting you, and all, you will definitely lose all the self belief, all your self esteem, and all. But one incident made you or rise you from no one to someone. So what is that incident?
Yeah, that is a very memorable incident for me, Santosh. As I told you, I was an average kid in the school and not very good in academics. I actually did not like studying. So what happened was I used to write Hindi in English.
Okay.
in English. I used to write in school KYA. Kya like we type in mobile these days. I used to
Yes.
write like that in my exams,
Okay.
and I always failed.
Oh, yeah. Obviously, they will fail. You should write
Yeah.
in Hindi.
So what happened? My Hindi teacher, I still remember him, Mr. Sharma. He used to complain my mother that she is doing this, and वो जो मात्राएं होती है हिंदी में, तो मुझे उससे बहुत प्रॉब्लम होता था. तो मैं हमेशा मतलब मेरे मार्क्स आते थे एकदम बेयर मिनिमम, बस जस्ट पासिंग. और इस चीज से मुझे काफी ह्यूमिलिएटेड फील होता था, क्योंकि ऑब्वियसली टीचर मुझसे काफी नाराज रहते थे. ही यूज्ड टू थिंक आई एम अ स्टबर्न चाइल्ड. Problem was I was masking myself as a stubbornness. I was actually not able to understand that matraएं.
Okay.
So then my mama helped me out in Hindi, and I actually topped that year. I was the student who got maximum marks, and I was made monitor of the class
Yes.
by the same teacher, Mr. Sharma, who used to scold me. And he actually scanned my answer sheet, and he got it framed, and he took it home, and he said that your daughter has written description of this poem so beautifully that I have never ever read this kind of. And that poem was, I still remember, जो बीत गई वो बात गई, जीवन में था वो एक कुसुम, थे उस पे नित्य निछावर तुम, मधुबन की छाती को देखो. ऐसे एक बहुत लंबी पोएम है, जो बीत गई वो बात गई. So I explained that poem in my words in examination, and that was a turning point because I actually felt it. And that day I realized that yes, I can also do something. What if I am fat? No problem. I have my words, and my words are powerful. Even my teachers are framing my answers and respecting me so much.
Yes.
And my mommy is loving me, and she's cooking me good food. And she's praising me, and she's calling everybody up and praising me. So I thought my words are powerful. What if I am ugly? What if I'm fat? No problem. I will do something in my life. I will use my words. I started writing poetry. I started expressing myself.
Yeah.
I used to write journal at that time when nobody actually heard about journaling. I used to write journals. So that is the point when I got that realization that I have some quality, in just one quality, but I have that quality, and I can do something beautiful with it.
मैं एक बात में इंटरप्ट करूंगी यहाँ पर. उस टाइम इसने स्कूल में, पूरी स्कूल में टॉप किया हिंदी में. और ये जो जैसे मार्क्स ये कम आए, तो ये हमको, मेरे को और मेरे हस्बैंड को लेटर लिखती थी.
Yeah, 2 days back, my mummy saw me a letter. I used to write, "Sorry, mummy, daddy, I disappointed you. I promise I will get good marks now." So I started expressing myself, Santosh, and I realized when you express yourself, people reward you. When you stand up for yourself, you are rewarded.
Yes.
तो मैंने कहा बचपन से लेके आज तक सारे कागज रख रखे हैं.
So
इसको नहीं मालूम कि मेरे लेटर मम्मी ने पापा ने रख रखे हैं.
So yeah,
Yes, sir.
that is one realization, Santosh. If you ask me pinpointedly, I can now specifically tell you that one quality of expressing myself.
Yes.
माइसेल्फ नहीं, तो हर चीज को बहुत अच्छा एक्सप्लेन करती है. मतलब मुझे भी सिखाती ना, इतना अच्छा
लेकिन-
सिखाती है कि मैं वो भूलती नहीं हूँ.
लेकिन मैं पहले बोलती नहीं थी डर की वजह से, क्योंकि मुझे लगता था कि मैं अगली हूँ, मैं फैट हूँ. और जब मुझे लगा कि नहीं, मेरे अंदर क्वालिटी है, मुझे बोलना आता है,
Yes.
तब मेरा वो टर्निंग पॉइंट आया.
Yes. Yeah, there is even a proverb that don't try to impress, always try to express. So expression is always the best way to do anything. It can be whatever you want to do in your life. It can be dance, it can be sing, it can be any activity in your life. This expression. Sorry?
I do all of them.
Okay. Yeah, it can be writing a journal, it can be writing an article, it can be writing anything. You are making a YouTube video, you are doing anything. It is about expressing yourself, raising voice about yourself. That is the only thing which is the major impactful. Even whenever you talk about any influencers in this world, there are a lot of people like Martin Luther King, Gandhiji, whoever they are, influencers. They have done a lot of big movements. They expressed themselves. Whatever they are, they started doing it. Then obviously followers will come up, they will also stand before you, I mean after you, and they will also follow you, they will also raise the voice. So this happens. So first of all, we have to raise the voice.
आगे मंजिल पे लोग जुड़ते गए, कारवां बनता गया.
Yes.
Yeah.
So yes, that's what it is. That's what. Thank you, Swati. Thank you for giving that word, like expressing yourself. Yeah, that incident made you to express. Even a lot of people has this instance, but they will not express themselves because of, again, the past, whatever happened, the baggage which is there.
Yes.
Probably because of some incidents. They may be, even for me as well. It is for me till last 1 year. You know that last 1 year I was not able to come out because of some past baggages, but I tried to express myself. That is where you are also sitting with me. It is my privilege to start at least talking to you over here. And even I always thank God and for this giving me this opportunity to talk to people right like this. At least knowing about them is one of the biggest asset for me right now, because by learning or knowing about you, making me also realize that yes, I should be like this. I should also actually acquire some skills from you, or acquire some learnings from you, takeaways from you.
And I would like to tell the audience, because Santosh is a very humble person, I would like to say this about you, that I have started knowing him personally now, and every day I know this person, I feel so much powerful that I am associated with my like-minded person, because he is a very powerful story and he is very courageous person. I could never imagine a 26-year-old going through every problem
Yes,
so beautifully. He is always smiling with this big smile, but I know the pain behind that smile. And Santosh, really, I congratulate you that you are such a warrior, and we really get inspired when we see you doing all this nice stuff, because when I see myself at 26 years old, I was lost in my life. And you are here raising the flag for introverts and for people. And yes, when you say stories, I personally believe everybody is a book in themselves, and this
Yes.
world is a library.
Yes.
So yeah, we don't need to cook up stories. Just pick a person randomly on the road and ask their story. You will find beautiful experiences.
Yes, that is
Yeah.
true, sir. That is true. So आंटी जी,
ये-
आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं लास्ट में?
हाँ संतोष, मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ कि इस वीडियो को या सोशल मीडिया के थ्रू जो भी लोग मेरे को देखें, तो जो लोग अपने आप को छुपा रहे हैं, सामने नहीं आ पा रहे हैं, शर्म से या किसी भी तरह से, तो वो सब सामने आए और इस मोमेंट में शुरू हुए, आगे आए. और जैसे स्वाति कह रही है कि मैं अकेला चला था राह में, कारवां जुड़ता गया, तो मैं भी वही चाहती हूँ कि मैं अकेली निकली उस राह में और मेरे साथ भी कारवां जुड़ता चले, और सारे लोग मिलके हम एक कम्युनिटी बनाएं और खुद के साथ हम दूसरों की भी मदद करें अपने एक्सपीरियंस से.
To add on to that, Santosh, I would like to say, because we are talking about expression right now, I would like to say this very important point, that we stop expressing ourselves because we think nobody is hearing us or nobody
Yes.
would like what we are saying. So we
Yes.
keep that to ourselves. But the problem is not in our thinking or our expression. The problem is we have to find our right tribe.
Yes.
Since we are lucky that we have found like-minded people like you and other people we are in touch with now, that is why we are expressing so much, because now
Yes.
we know whatever I'm saying, Santosh is willingly listening to me. So that is why I am talking to you. I like talking to you because you are somebody who belongs to my tribe who wants to grow, who wants to do something impactful in this world. So whoever is shying or whoever is closing themselves in their shell, I just want to say to them that you are not wrong. First of all, you are not alone in this world. You are just not looking in the right direction.
Yes.
Look for your tribe, call your tribe, and you will be the most happy person on this earth.
Yes, correct. You are absolutely correct. So with this note, whatever Swati told, that's what the conclusion is. Even thank you, Swati. I want to even tell that. So it is not about introversion. It is not about extroversion, anything. People will be having a stage where you will be feeling alone. So maybe your direction is wrong. Your way of thinking is wrong. Just look for someone, at least one or two people who are like you, at least like whoever the condition, whatever condition you are in. So at least find them. first of all, so that it will be easy for you to uplift each other. So that this particular show is for them only. If you are feeling, if you have no hope in your life, after watching the people, the beautiful people over here, you can get at least one or two takeaways in your life as well. Yes, you can see what situations we are in. It's not that simple. Like, so get that hope. Everyone will be having difficult phases. Everyone will be having a lot of downs in their life. It's not everyone has the silver spoon in their plate and they are rich and if they have everything. It's not that thing. So everyone will be having the down phase, but how you overcome that, that is what the major impact. You are even telling the world that I have impacted that. That is one of the beautiful impact. You can even transform others lives also with that actually overcoming from whatever you have done, right? So with this note, I want to end this story. But before ending, guys, I just want to tell you, these are the social media. Already I have given you social media links of our Madhu Vyas ji and Swati ji. You can see the Swati's profile in LinkedIn and even Madhu ji in the LinkedIn. So you can contact them. The links have been already provided. I provided the YouTube channel link, Facebook page link. I have provided LinkedIn. Wherever you want, whatever you want, you can directly approach them, because I can see a lot of scope. Even Swati talks about the digital senior buddy. She want to transform people who want to learn this digital, even though you are 50 plus, 60 plus, whatever, gray hair challenge. She always talks about that. Yes, you have, if you want to learn, even I always tell to this mom as well. My dad is a lot of, he has a lot of curiosity to learn this digital platforms and all. He used to do it. But yes, you have to also learn. It's not about only the younger generations which we are using and all. No, digital social media is one of the most powerful thing. So I recommend that to approach Swati to learn the simple techniques, the way how she talks, and she will be so sweet to explain, like however she talks to her mother, the same way she will be connecting to you as well. Don't worry about it. And about Auntie Ji, I am talking about the breathe and believe movement. So this is also one of the most impactful. A lot of people are there who are going into depression because of this breathing issue. So even everything can be there. If breath is not there, nothing. If there is no air, you cannot live in this planet Earth. In the same way, if you can't breathe, you cannot live. This life is completely depending on that 1 second of breathe, right?
Yeah.
It's not. Yeah. So that's what. Thank you, Auntie Ji, for starting this movement. Thank you, Swati, for starting this movement. And yes, apart from that, coming to my point, if you're an introvert, if you are actually having the issue of how I can overcome the things, overcome fears and all, I also have a community of proud introverts on the Facebook group. You can just search for proud introverts. You can join in that group. I am starting my sessions of public speaking, small things, how you can overcome or how you can come out of this fears and all. So maybe in your life as well, this will be useful.
Yeah.
So by this, thank you guys. Thank you for joining. Thank you for being on live. It's a privilege. It's a proud moment for me, Auntie Ji and Swati. You are great inspirers for me every single day. Thanks a lot. Thank you for accepting my invitation for this show.
Thank you for inviting us.
Breathe and believe. Ever happy.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you.